The Lagos State High Court sitting in Tafawa Balewa Square has sentenced the driver of the Lagos State Bus Rapid Transit (BRT), Andrew Nice Uminikoron, to death by hanging for killing a 22-year-old fashion designer, Bamise. The trial judge, Sherifat Shunanke, gave the verdict on Friday, May 2, 2025. NaijaNews recalls that the Lagos State government had arraigned Uminikoron on a 4-count charge of conspiracy, murder, and 2 counts of rape. The prosecution alleged that on November 25, 2021, Uminikoron raped a 29-year-old woman, Nneka Mary Jane Uzezulu, in Lagos. He was also accused of conspiring with 2 others who are still at large to sexually assault a 22-year-old passenger, Bamise, before murdering her. While some appreciated the judgment on Nigeria's judicial system, others says it is long overdue. Please share your thoughts in the comment box section below as we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.